Demeter, say hi to the camera.
Demeter has a joke for you, Shreya.
What do you call a train made of gum?
A train made of gum. I don't know.
A choo-choo
A
train.
choo-choo train.
Knock knock.
Who's it?
Ooh.
Woohoo!
Don't get so excited. It's just a joke.
Dude, her timing is.
Sass. Bye-bye to Sandra.
Bye bye.
Have a virtual hug. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Bye. Every now and then I end up eating my mustache or moustache, whatever you call it. So I'm going to trim today. Anyway, for breakfast today we're having overnight oats with chia, blueberries, banana, whey protein, cardamom powder and flaxseed. In goes the flaxseed, in goes the whey protein. So we're doing Isopure Dutch chocolate whey protein. Started very recently and I like it so far. Mix. So this overnight pudding actually has bananas in there as well, as I told you. And Shreya ended up freezing all of the bananas yesterday. And now, did you freeze it this morning?
Yeah, I completely forgot.
Yeah, so she froze all the bananas this morning. Here.
Yeah, so like they went in like an hour ago. And they're like rock solid.
So we had some more frozen bananas cut into pieces and just microwave them for 20 seconds. And they look like someone died in your bowl, but that's okay.
It's okay.
It works. Those are the banana dead bodies.
Oh my god, they're good. They taste like
Banana dead bodies.
caramelly and yummy and sweet.
Yeah, like banana dead bodies.
Oh god.
And the final step will be adding some blueberries. Well, second last step, because then the final step will be to mix it all nicely. Mix. That's it. Okay, it's happening finally. I haven't trimmed or shaved, of course, in close to 2 months. We'll see how this goes. I'm not the best trimmer in town. Like, I can't shape it or design it on my own. It's just not, it doesn't happen. My trimming equipment is not really up to date. Just got a Philips, what is this, one blade. I've got a Braun trimmer which has been with me for a while. And again, a few other beard combs and attachments and chargers, so nothing fancy really. I think what I'm going to end up working with is one of these. Number 5? I don't know. Let's try 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put cling wrap on my basin. Saw this hack on Instagram recently. Hopefully it'll work. I'll see you after the trim then. Yeah, I did it. I got sick and tired of the beard. I can feel my neck after a while, so that's a good thing. This place, this balcony now is not just my studio and not just a place for us to hang out and chill in. It is also a place where I'm now making sales calls. You know, amazingly enough, I just realized that I haven't removed this broom, this jhadu from my studio. It's just there. You know what? I'm not going to remove it. I think it adds a certain level of character to the frame. So last week we started watching Schitt's Creek. We are on season 6, which is the last season, unfortunately. What a show. What a show. It's got all the... I'll talk about it in a bit. I'm going to get to work. Perfect day to have chai and pakode outside. I don't know if this would do any justice to the beauty outside, but you know, as much as I love coffee, nothing beats the feeling of chai in the rain. It's unparalleled. It's pakode. We didn't have mint, so just did coriander chutney, some tamarind sauce, cake rusk, and chai. Chai. So you know, my cousins that you saw in the previous video and earlier in this video, they got us this. How do I explain this? Is biscotti in a way, right? It's like
Yeah,
Indian biscotti.
Like dry.
Yeah. And I categorically told them to not get us this because I'm a cookie monster, really. And the box is almost over. So thank you, Himanshu. Thank you for bringing this to me. Don't ever bring me cake rusk again. Back to chai. So we've come down to the garden center to pick up a few plants, and it looks like a long lineup. It is open, garden center is open, but they used to have an entry up here, so you don't have to enter the store technically, but as of now you have to. So we have a little box for our plants, and they've drawn these, which is great. It was about a 5-minute lineup, nothing longer than that, and beautiful. It's Bhoot Jalokia chocolate. Yeah. So chocolate habanero is, that's not 300,000. That's not bad.
They have the Reaper.
They have the Carolina Reaper, right? Is that Carolina Reaper or
Well,
it's the Reaper?
it's the Reaper.
Can we handle this?
Oh my god,
this is double
so
of.
hot. Does it hurt to have one of these? How would this impact all the other plants surrounding plants?
It won't kill plants. I think we should let go of habanero and Bhoot Jalokia both, and get one of these full peppers, right? But Big Bertha is capsicum, right? Huh?
One capsicum or pepper?
Do I want capsicum or pepper?
I think I'll go for pepper. Look
Yeah.
at these. Okay, I think I'm bending.
Towards cayenne.
Yeah, I feel like these are small. I
Huh.
can get a better reap in 69 days.
What about grapes?
It needs to go in the bush. So
So you need a
it's
bigger.
not ideal.
Yeah, maybe get the sweet pepper and
And the
Bhoot Jalokia. Yeah.
Put this small one.
And put the habanero back, right? Or do you want to keep the habanero?
I think let's try the Bhoot Jalokia.
Yeah.
And also this is from India, so I feel a little like...
Is it originally from India? But I think they grow it here too. Oh, you got one more basil, right? Okay. So that's what we have right now. 2 basil plants, 1 Bhoot Jalokia, and 1 Big Bertha. So these are just, big capsicum or big sweet peppers. So no luck on cilantro and mint. We're going to take another round and see if, just in case they have any. We're just going to close with some flowers.
So we have basil, hot pepper, capsicum, and then grab some tomatoes and we're good to go.
What about this?
Instead of the bigger ones, I prefer getting the cherry tomatoes for salads.
Yeah,
And then get a cage, like a bush or whatever.
we have a cage, right?
Let's throw it out.
Really? Okay, let's get one of these then.
So we have 2 of these.
Success on tomatoes, we ended up getting cherry tomatoes. Feels really good to get out of the house for a bit. It's a nice change of scenery, and to be honest, it's not that crowded.
Smell it.
That's childhood. I would say this has been a successful trip. The balcony is looking very empty. At least we'll have some nice plants.
There are some that have like multiple flowers.
But Shreya, remember, sunflowers attract a lot of bees. Are you sure that's okay?
Yeah, I want to do my part for the bees. Okay, this is good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just don't know what the price is.
We'll find out. That's the second and final flower.
$7.99.
Perfect price.
Yeah.
For a beautiful plant.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So I think what we need is this one, right? That's the one we need. The one we need is this one, right? Pro Mix.
I would get the potted mix.
This one.
On the right. Go right. Yeah.
Huh, so either this, but this is for fruits and vegetables, right? This is for vegetables. Vegetables and herbs. So we need this one, Shreya. So we decided on an impromptu taco night, and it happens to be a Tuesday, so that's perfect. Some corn, refried beans, seasoned rice, mushrooms, some seasoning, some lettuce, salsa, meat, chips, dips. So this is a cheesy meal. And this one's a sriracha mayo and some quesadilla. Some cheese and most importantly some white wine to go with it. Alright, so that's the full spread. Taco Tuesday. We're doing Taco Tuesday with Schitt's Creek playing in the background. That's perfect watch. Okay, bye. Time to eat.